The story of the smartest man who ever lived and why you haven't heard of him. Albert Einstein had an estimated IQ of 160, Issac Newton's estimated IQ is 190, and Mark Zuckerberg's IQ is 152. These famous men are known as absolute geniuses around the world. But there once lived a person whose IQ was said to be between 250 and 300. William James Sidis, the most intelligent man to ever walk the earth, was a child prodigy and an exceptional mathematician. He was a master at multiple dialects and a gifted author as well. But sadly, not many people have ever heard of him. William was born in New York City in 1898. His father Boris was an exemplary psychologist who earned 4 degrees from Harvard. His mother was also an MD. Since his parents were geniuses themselves, William James Sidis was expected to be brilliant as well, but his intelligence proved to be far more than ordinary. Very much aware of his intelligence, his father tried to enroll him in Harvard but was refused as William was only 9 years old at that time. 2 years later, the institute accepted him and William became the youngest person to be admitted to Harvard in 1909. By 1910, his knowledge of mathematics peaked so much that he started lecturing his professors instead, earning him the title of child prodigy. He completed his Bachelor of Arts degree at the age of 16. Fame can be tiring, especially if you're exposed to it at a young age. Shortly after graduation, William told reporters that he wished to live the perfect life, which according to him, was one of seclusion. He also added that he intended to never get married since women did not appeal to him. In addition to undesired fame, his decision also reflected the pressure that he faced since birth. During that time, America believed in turning kids into prodigies with the right education. Being a gifted psychologist, William's father was keen on making his son shine as bright as a star. To achieve that, he applied his own psychological approaches to raise his son and pushed him. Even though William enjoyed learning as a child, his opinion changed as an adult and he blamed his father for it. When Boris passed away in 1923, William refused to attend his funeral. Like geniuses usually do in order to maintain a low profile, William worked low-paying clerical jobs.